name's Bob. No, just kidding. My name's Hayden. Today we're going to be shooting him with a Nerf gun. Shirtless. No, just kidding.
Bareback. Okay, so he's going to stand right here on the wall. Right there. Okay, now put your shirt up. All that. Okay. Now I'm going to shoot him with this disc gun. So it has like these, the green discs. You can buy them like at Walmart or something. Okay. So here we go. It's already cocked. Okay.
Yeah.
Put up. No, it has to be like all the way up. Okay.
Just take it off.
Yeah. Okay. Remember, is everybody ready?
The chair.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Come on, no. Look.
And we're shooting it from about 5 feet away. So yeah, about 5 feet away. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're shooting 2 at each other.
No, 3 at
1,
each other.
2, 3.
3 at each other, okay?
I can't find the third one though. Okay, so he did not react at all.
Because it didn't
At all.
hurt. It doesn't
So,
hurt.
thank you guys for watching. You guys can see my version. You guys can see my version on my channel too, which is Zachary Walden.